check it out. So to make snaps, and you can even do those Bolivian, Chilean, Peruvian hammer festivals with this stuff. It is what makes it go boom when they slam the hammers down. It's a lot simple to make this one. It's really simple. Put y'all go out there. You don't want to get it much, and it can't be damp. Damp is bad. Forms an acid, then it just blows up. Let's see if I can get it to snap here for you. Hang on. If you don't like the hammer, hit it with a wrench, it does fine. There it goes. Stinks, you smell it. There it goes. There it goes. Woo, that one's loud. The harder you hit it, the louder it is. See? It's 90 of one, 10% of the other. You figure out which one.